Hi, this is Hadas from in Canva, and I want to introduce the old Dream Lab. It's no longer Dream Lab, it's Canva AI. AI is the home of a lot of AI features, and the first one, which we knew as the Dream Lab, is now create an image. So what we want to do is click on Canva AI up here, or you can use the sidebar, and you just go down here inside the typing window and you will find the create an image. This is the one we want to create images out of text. So let's click on create an image. And now we need to type in whatever it is that we want Canva to create. So let's think of something super fun and aesthetic. You'll have to be as precise and with high details as much as possible if you want to get the exact image that you're dreaming of. So I'm going to start with asking for a cute girl with curly fluffy hair and freckles sitting on a bench, and colors of turquoise, pink, and red. Now, it doesn't end there because I need to choose my style. And once you click on style, you have more styles, more options than we got used to. And you can pick your cinematic or bouquet, macro, or whatever it is that you want. I'm going to choose creative. And the aspect ratio, pick the one that you need. So I'm going to go with 1:1. And you can also use the mic. If you don't want to type, you can just record the prompt. And you can also go to the left and click on the plus to add media, to add some kind of photo that will be an inspiration for your generated image. It's not going to be an exact replicate of it, but let's say I'm going to use this one just for the look and feel of whatever it is that Canva is going to create. So now if I chose an image, I get a few more options. I can ask Canva to match the image if I want to match the style of the image. Or if I want to match the design, use the exact layout of the image. So up to you. I'm going to go with, I think, match the design. And then we can pick, once we click on match the design, we click on that, we can go ahead to the strength. If we want it to be subtle or balanced or a very strong matching. Or match. Would that be the best way to say it? Anyway, pick whatever you want. I'm going to go with balanced, somewhere in the middle. And now we can hit the arrow. We're going to get 4 options. It's going to happen very quickly. If you have a free account, then this is a freemium feature, which means you get 20 credits every month. And then you get 20 more the next month. And if you have a pro account, it's 500. There's a big difference. So as you can see, I've used one. I have 499 left. And here are my 4 images in just 1 second. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh my God. I love those. They're so adorable. They're even nicer than I imagined. Okay. Now, again, it doesn't end here. Let's say, for example, I liked one of those. I like this one extremely. No, this one. Oh gosh, this is a difficult decision to make. Okay, I really love this one. You can see that Canva has written a much longer prompt for me. So it's much more professional. It has more descriptive words, so it's very helpful. I can just copy it and use it. So you can see it's very long. I see that the resolution is 1120 pixels. So you can upscale this if you want to use it for print or for larger screens. And you can also, if you're happy with the result, you can just download it. And if you want to download this photo, you will find inside the generated image in the top right corner a small arrow. But you can also go to the 3 dots up here and copy the image or report the image if it needs to be reported or deleted. But I want to show you the arrow. This is the arrow for the downloading. So you can click on that and download the image. Now here is a new exciting feature. You can ask Canva to make changes. Down here below the photo or the image created, you have this box where you can type anything you want to be changed. So let's say I want her hair to be fluffy and I want it to be pink. Let's see what Canva's going to do. Just going to click this one. I'm going to get one result this time, not 4. And let's cross our fingers that it's going to be wonderful. Oh my God. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. This is what Canva does to me. Okay. This is a perfect image. I'm super happy. So I can download this. I can upscale it. I can use it in a design. I can make a few more changes if I'd like. Let's just close this. And let's now, I want to show you if I would have chosen a strong matching and not a balanced one. And let's say, wait, I need to copy paste the prompt that I used. So I'm just going to copy it, paste it, and okay, so not exactly. Let's see, maybe I should have changed the creative to maybe an illustration or a vector. Let's try a vector. I think that'll be the closest match. And I'm just going to hit it again. Yeah, it does look a lot closer to the original image I uploaded. So you see that you can play with it and just, try it out, see what you do. I'm super happy with this feature. I really love create an image. I use it a lot. And that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.